Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to batch export individual clips in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you need to export multiple clips separately rather than rendering them as one continuous video, saving you time and giving you more control over your final exports. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you've got your project loaded and ready to go, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen, where you'll find several tabs for different stages of your workflow. Click on the one labeled Deliver. This is the tab dedicated to exporting and rendering your finished work, and it's where all the magic happens when you're ready to finalize your project. After clicking Deliver, you'll notice the interface shifts to show export settings on the left side of your screen. This panel is where you'll configure all the parameters for how your clips will be exported. It might look like a lot of options at first, but we'll walk through exactly what you need to focus on. The first thing you need to do is click Browse. This button allows you to select the destination folder where your exported clips will be saved. Choose a location that makes sense for your workflow, whether that's a specific project folder on your hard drive or an external storage device. Making this choice up front ensures your files end up exactly where you need them. Now comes one of the most important steps. Look for the option labeled Individual Clips and click it to select it. This setting is crucial because it tells DaVinci Resolve to export each clip as a separate file rather than combining everything into one long render. Without this selected, you'd end up with a single continuous video instead of the individual clips you're aiming for. Next, click on File in the Settings panel. Once you're in this section, you'll see a checkbox that says Use Unique File Names. Make sure to check this box. This ensures that each exported clip gets its own distinct file name, preventing any files from being overwritten and making organization much easier down the line. While you're still in the file settings, locate the field labeled Custom Name. Here you can input a prefix or custom identifier for your clips. For example, you might type something like TL. This custom name will be applied to all your exported files, helping you identify them easily and keep your project organized. Once you've configured all these settings, you're ready to finalize the export. Click Add to Render Queue. This action queues up your clips for processing. After adding them to the queue, you can start the export process and DaVinci Resolve will begin rendering each clip individually according to the settings you've specified. And that's it. You've successfully set up a batch export for individual clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.